Are you ready to unlock hidden insights within your data by mastering a powerful data transformation technique in Tableau? Let's say you have a column filled with combined text strings, like names, addresses or product descriptions, all jumbled together. This will slow down your analysis. Fear not, because Tableau's split function has you covered. First, locate the data field you want to split within your data pane inside Tableau. Now, right-click on the chosen field, revealing a menu of options. And from this menu, select the split option. Tableau automatically detects separators like commas, spaces, or custom delimiters, enabling you to split the entries. Choose whether Tableau should automatically split the data based on its detection, or use a custom split by choosing custom split and specifying delimiters, like a comma or a semicolon. This helps with formatting your data. After the split, you'll find new fields added to your data pane, representing the segmented parts of your original text. Use these newly generated fields for more specific data analysis by building compelling visualizations and filters based on this structured data. This can help you create amazing dashboards by leveraging the split function. You're not just cleaning data. You're enhancing your capacity to extract meaningful insights, refine analysis, and uncover hidden stories within your data.